I am Jessica. Welcome to my travel channel.
Hi guys, it's Jessica here. I'm so excited to show you the best beaches in Madeira, Portugal. Trust me, you don't want to miss this. If you like this video, please click like button and leave a comment. It'll mean a lot to me. Heading for the sunny beaches of Madeira, Portugal, the view I'd been waiting for so long. Upon arriving the shore, I felt the warm sand between my toes and heard the clear blue waves splashing against the sand. I could see a few fish swimming around pargos and bicudas, just to name a few, and the birds soaring through the air with their steady calls. What a beautiful country! One of the best beaches of Madeira is called White Sand, a pleasant surprise of white sand and blue waters. This beach was almost surreal, surrounded by towering cliffs and the clearest blue waters I have ever seen. I could spend hours just admiring the view right here. Next on my list was Praia Formosa, a must-visit beach in Madeira, Portugal. This was a more secluded and quieter area, the perfect spot to relax and disconnect from the world. The beach itself was stunning, with the softest sand and warm waters. The last beach on my list was Calheta Beach, one of the best-known beaches of Madeira, Portugal. This beach was lively and vibrant, filled with people of all ages and walks of life. No matter the time of day, this beach offered gorgeous views, a rich cultural experience, and countless activities. I felt so blessed to have visited these incredible beaches of Madeira, Portugal. Hearing the soft lapping of the sea and feeling the warmth of the sun on my skin reminded me to enjoy life, slow down a bit, and appreciate the little things.
Thanks for watching. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next one. Bye!